Hello Gemini, we are here to do your quick check-in on mid-month August reading. Um, we'll look at two energies, one your overall energy currently and what is the advice from spirit or universe. And we'll also be closing the reading with a final message from a couple of oracle cards. So let's get started and see where your overall energy is. Quickly, two cards pop out. So Gemini, you have the Hangman and the Eight of Swords. Uh, Looks like you have been stuck in your head a lot and there is a change of perspective that you need to bring in. Let's pull a couple of more cards. The Devil. Okay, a lot of stuck energy. What's going on, Gemini? Where are you stuck? Okay, now this explains. Yeah, let's pull one more out here. Okay, all right. So Gemini, for you, there might have been pain in the recent past. It could be emotional. I think this is with all the sword cards here for you. This looks like you have been in your mind or head a lot, creating pain for yourself by overthinking and create building scenarios which do not exist, right? For example, someone could have in a passing commented that uh, you know the type of work you used to do at office or in your workspace has kind of slipped a little in last 2 3 days, and it could have been something as simple as you being under the weather and low on energy, and but you're letting that recent events of just a couple of days influence your whole perception of yourself on what you have built over the period of time. And this seems like this is a repetitive toxic cycle for you. You tend to get into this Eight of Swords energy very quickly. The moment someone comes to you with a little bit of criticism, you take it to your ego and you tend to get stuck into that a lot. What you need to do here is get into this action oriented energy and look at things from a new perspective with that Hangman. You need to move away from this devil energy. So these three energies are very aligned. This is where you are today, and this is what you need to get into, right? You need to look at things even though they have been stuck from a new perspective, and as soon as you get that view on what the change is that you need to make, you need to get going on executing that. Let's pull out a couple of cards on advice for you as well. Yes, you need to see the truth for it, what it is, and take action towards it. And you also need to move forward out of your comfort zone to make the changes that are required for you, and take things that come from people around you or community or colleagues, friends, family in a more positive stride. They are just trying to help you in terms of figuring out what to do better, or just observing things to check on whether you are okay or not. So there's no intention of harm from anyone. It's you yourself bringing in that energy. So it's more like self-sabotage that you have been kind of working on. So get your head out of this Eight of Swords and into this Eight of Swords to Ace of Swords. See the way that light is popping out of her head. That's like this light in Hangman, right? So that perspective that you gain, you have to bring it out into action. And with the Two of Wands, you need to step forward, make the change that needs to be done, and you will get support from people around you. There's nothing to worry about. So Gemini, let's pull an oracle card from the Oracle of the Fairies and see what they have to say for you. Divination. Embrace your powers of divination, which are especially strong right now. You have the ability to see your current situation with crystal clear clarity. I hope you can see this. Let's pull one more card from the Moonology deck and see what the moon has to say for you. So if you feel too stressed and you are feeling that you are not finding a solve to whatever situation you are, go within. If you believe in certain spirituality, spend time within yourself, meditate. That should help find you answers. And from the Moonology oracle, we have emotions are running high, super moon. So again, I think this energy ties up to the point that I was making earlier, right? You, I think, are taking things too personally and taking it to the heart when you get some bit of criticism from people, and you need to be, cognizant of the fact that it's not other people who are coming after you, but you taking things a little too personally. That's all I have for you, Gemini, today. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments below what worked for you, what did not. Do like, subscribe if you like the content I'm posting, so that I can bring you more content. And that's all I have for you today. Have a nice day. Bye.